Welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Peter Syedzot, and I have a fascinating topic to discuss with you today. We're going to explore the intriguing story of Andrew Tate, a former kickboxing champion turned internet personality, and the legal troubles he's currently facing. So grab a seat and let's get started. If you haven't already heard of Andrew Tate, he is a figure who gained prominence as a kickboxing champion turned internet personality. If you've spent any time on social media in the past 5 years, you're likely familiar with the concept of influencers. These are individuals who gain large followings through their unique approach to life and their seemingly flawless lifestyles. Andrew Tate falls into this category, appealing primarily to young men with his charismatic and macho persona. His background as a former kickboxing world champion adds to his credibility and influence within this online community. However, Andrew Tate's story takes a dramatic turn beyond the realm of a typical influencer. It turns out that Tate had been residing in Romania for some time, attracted by the country's permissive attitude towards corruption. In late 2022, Romanian law enforcement arrested Tate on alleged charges of rape and sex trafficking. The allegation suggests he deceived and coerced women into joining him in Romania under the pretense of starting a relationship. Once in Romania, he allegedly forced these women to stay in his home and participate in modeling for adult subscription websites, with him profiting from their endeavors. He remained in police custody until early 2023 and has since been under house arrest. During this tumultuous period, Andrew Tate was interviewed by Tucker Carlson, delving into a wide range of topics. The focal point of their 2-hour conversation centered on the charges Tate faces in Romania. Interestingly, Carlson kicked off the interview by discussing the negative impact of online pornography on young men, using it as a juxtaposition against the allegations surrounding Tate. While the charges against Tate are serious, Carlson invited his viewers to form their own opinion on the matter, acknowledging that the media has seemingly taken a definitive stance. It's worth noting that the majority of articles written about Tate have been negative. During the interview, Tate presented a defense that primarily highlighted his financial success and questioned the motive behind engaging in illegal activities that would risk his wealth and reputation. However, it's important to note that while he offers an explanation that may raise doubts about the charges, he doesn't explicitly refute them. Another element discussed during the interview was Tate's perspective on profitability in the online realm. He argued that platforms like TikTok, where he has a presence, do not provide substantial financial rewards for content creators. In this context, he questioned the logic of coercing women to appear in his videos against their will, particularly as he is accused of forcing them to perform on various social media platforms for extended periods each day. Tate vehemently denies these allegations and claims ignorance of any wrongdoing related to forcing women to work for him on social media. Andrew Tate paints himself in a favorable light, portraying himself as a reserved family man in his mid-30s who has moved beyond the exploits commonly associated with young and beautiful women on social media. However, his carefully crafted online persona, brimming with machismo and adventure, stands in stark contrast to the reserved family man image he presented during his interview with Carlson. While his public persona does not necessarily prove his guilt, it creates a dissonance that challenges the defense he seeks to employ in the court of public opinion. Now, you might be wondering what all of this means for you and your family. It's no surprise that individuals who gain fame through controversial actions often find themselves accused of crimes. In this case of Andrew Tate, being accused of the crimes he faces is a serious matter that strips away autonomy and power. It serves as a reminder to be cautious about what we say, how we say it, and whom we say it. When it comes to encounters with law enforcement, it's crucial to be aware of our rights. In the United States, the Miranda rights protect individuals from self-incrimination. We have the right to remain silent when placed under arrest or custody. Even in situations such as a police officer approaching your home or during a traffic stop, you are not obligated to provide information beyond what is legally required. By exercising caution and understanding our rights, we can protect ourselves from potential self-incrimination. The saga of Andrew Tate offers valuable lessons. From exercising caution in our words and actions, to managing our online presence responsibly, we can navigate the complexities of our modern society while safeguarding our rights and futures. Remember, what we say today might have repercussions tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey, and until next time, stay informed and stay vigilant.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.